Good afternoon. This is Lavina, 26th June 2016. At 1:12, we are looking at Nifty market. What I said earlier, that this pattern does not necessarily represent a downtrend and has sufficed when the bars were falling, that it will not go to this level. And after that, the market was mm, the next up leg of today's market. We have seen the first apply and the second apply. Now we are seeing the sideways movement. So this was a point where new traders would have taken uh, might have taken the uh, downward looking trade, but it was not good. So and at this point, we would have confirmed that we could we would have taken a upper trade this point at any bar. If you look at the 1 minute chart, that's also very clear where we would have taken a trade. So this was the time we could have thought, oh, this is going to really good pressure. But overall, if you have seen the market, you don't have taken the trade. At the same time, this pattern was formed, and at 11:30, formation of these bars saying that the trend will continue upward, and this was the time to buy. You could have also bought at different locations. Maybe you may have bought at this point also. Maybe it was suggesting an upward movement with an stop loss of up to this point, this range, this bottom of this bar. So I got into that trade. So that's how the market is played. Again, there are different chances on the same pattern. Look, you know, this this trade, and again after totally today they were in the upward trades. This trade again, and anywhere we could have just bought out. Right now, the market is playing in a sideways direction because there is a huge up, gap up in the European market, and the market have since then going in sideways direction. And so same way as we are seeing Nifty also. If you look at the CAC for the French market, you could have seen that it was almost 3% of 2.81. The high point was 3.20, and since then the market is going in sideways direction. So the same thing is happening in the Indian market. In the German market, we also see the gap of 50% and then sideways movement. So, so considering at the same time how much points that US European market has taken place, we could confirm that from yesterday's close, if you look at, we just got a 50 point pot movement. So that is not because 3% of German market, of even the French market, 3% would be around 240 points, and that would be a great plan. And what we have looked at is around 140 points we have seen from 110, hit 110 to hit 230. So almost 120 points we have seen. And same actually we were now looking at the sideways movement, and now if we look for trade, might be the trades might be off at some both direction, upward or downward direction. We have to continue to look forward. Couple balls, two balls. So that's it.